Today's video is going to be covering the barbecue set from Skallywag Tactical. We have the holidays coming up real soon, as well as a number of really big sales. So I wanted to show you guys what comes in this set. Maybe this might be an excellent gift for someone on your list. All right, so before I get into opening this all up, I know I'm postponing stuff. A lot of you are used to us having some sort of holiday kitchen set. That's where this block came from. That has been consistent for the last couple years. Unfortunately, this year, we are not doing that. If you are looking for anything that falls within that category, the chef's knife that you get in here is going to be basically your only option. As far as next year in 2025, we are going to be releasing at least one, I've been told maybe multiple sets of kitchenware, but you're not gonna see that until at least the second half of the year. If you've been holding off or waiting for us to release that, this is basically your option. We have a number of these left. Once those are gone, you are going to be waiting for the kitchen sets next year. If you like what you see here, make sure that you go on skallywagtactical.com to purchase. Now, one of the things you'll notice right away is this is not one of those cheap magnetic button attachments. That's a straight buckle, leather buckle. Some of you might like this. I think it's impressive that everything is secured properly. All right, so when we open this all the way up, hey, I opened it up properly. I was kind of worried about that. This is what it looks like as it comes in, and that is your protection there. So high quality leather. This is going to last for a while. I'll just throw this out there. We've already had some people make this mistake. This is a knife roll. This is leather. Yes, you need to clean everything after you're done using it, but make sure everything's dry before you put it in here and roll it up and trap all the moisture and then put it somewhere. We all understand how doing that would create rust. You're going to want to take care of your tools. You're going to want to clean them, hand wash them, and then dry them. And then if you're going to put any protectant oil on it or whatever it is, you know, you can do that and roll it up and put it away. All right, so moving right into it, we have the 8-inch chef knife. This has that protective sheath directly on top of it. This is VG10 steel, 110 layer Damascus blade. It is a very excellent blade. I would say that just the roll and this knife itself more than pays for the cost of this entire set. Everything else, in my opinion, is just extra. Everything that is directly here that has a handle is rosewood. So all of the handles are rosewood all the way through. So I don't have to repeat that over and over again. All right, so I'll throw that over there. Next item is your meat fork. So here, decent weight directly to this, and yeah, I mean, what else do I say about this? Very, very pokey. Then we have our tongs. I don't know what else to tell you about this. We're gonna just be going through each one of these. Very sexy. All right. Next thing is our Baster rubber top here. It is not one of those items where over time tiny hairs are going to be in your food. So the next item is your poultry and meat scissors. Cool, heavy item, like really heavy. Has a lock on this. If you just press that in, it automatically opens up and you can get to work here. Really heavy duty scissors. Nice little hooky thing right here. Perfect for fingers and that type of thing if that's what you're into. Good little scissor set there. All right, now moving on, we have we'll just go to the spatula. Quality spatula, rosewood. Once again, I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to say about spatula, but there you go. And your last item is kind of like a little multi-tool, which basically a bottle / wine bottle opener. Self-explanatory. With the bottle opener, you have your corkscrew there to open up the many bottles of wine that I'm sure your wives or you young ladies would need for that. For everyone else, cool little spirally torture device there. One thing I did see on this, which I'm not sure if it says it on the website, but there is a cute little knife right here I'm not sure. I'm trying to get a top view of that. Yeah, little serrated blade, little knife that's right there. I'm not sure what you would need that for, but it's cool. Very, very yeah, whatever. I mean, it's like the smallest knife ever. But that's already a part of that, and so that completes the set there. Now on the side here, I guess if I was looking directly on it, would be your left side, is a pocket, and in this pocket you have the freebie item. This is a food or meat thermometer. If you go on the site and you go to the barbecue set, there is a little bit of a disclaimer at the very bottom that talks about what batteries you're going to need for this, and how it didn't meet expectations, this thermometer. So when it was added to the package, they were hoping to have a much higher quality thermometer, but you know, whatever. I am sure that the majority of you probably have something along the lines of Wi-Fi meat thermometers, ones that you connect directly to your phone, and so you probably don't even have a need for this. But if you don't have one of those, I advise you grab one. My father-in-law raves about it, so it has to be awesome, right? That is on the side. The other piece that is in here is a replacement head for the baster. So you have an extra French tickler here. This doesn't come with a battery. You're gonna have to buy a battery afterwards, and you can find that exact battery, because there's a couple of them that will fit this, on the website. Very high quality items on all of them. Once again, I would just emphasize the knife itself, the chef knife, and the knife roll is basically well worth the overall price on this. And so I believe that it's listed right now as of recording this for $200, which is about 50% off of what it was originally released for. Look for some sales popping up here soon, so you'll be able to get them cheaper. Those sales, especially on the larger holidays, cover the entire site most of the time. If you're looking to upgrade your current barbecue set, or you're looking for an awesome gift for a father-in-law, this will be here. And then last, I mean, all that aside, you get all these cool items. I would say that if you need to upgrade your Dexter Morgan knife roll, that this is probably one of the nicest ones that you're probably going to get.
There's a first time for everything. A first step, a first word, a first kiss, a first kill. Somehow you know when the time is right.
And when the time is right for you to purchase this kit or any of the products on SkallywagTactical.com, make sure that you guys are using the code ELITEU, and you'll receive 10% off your entire order.